Let's review how to use the long-term care accordion on our insurer page. Select the Self section, then the Insurer page. Click on the Long-Term Care Accordion title bar to access this resource. Here you can enter key details such as the company name, underwriting department, phone, email, website, policy number, and group number into the clearly listed input fields. Each field is displayed on its own line, making it easy to review. Use the integrated fields to ensure uniform data ingestion across your cases. Once entered, click the Save icon. A data box appears immediately below, allowing you to edit, download, delete, or share the record as a secure link via email. Your saved details are organized neatly, combining structured inputs with space for qualitative case context. This centralized layout helps legal staff rapidly populate databases and sustain accessible records for active casework. And that's how you use LawWiz Long-Term Care Accordion.